by many names, bubble coral, bladder coral, grape coral, or pearl coral, this stony coral, Plerogyra sinuosa, is one of the all-time favorites among most reef aquarists. And once you've seen a bubble coral, there's no doubt its common names appear quite fitting, as its skeleton mass is topped by an array of water-filled bubble-shaped polyps, which are the vesicles. Add to its eye-catching appearance the fact they are very hardy and easy to care for, it becomes a favorite of most reef aquarists.
Plerogyra sinuosa is a jelly-like species of the kingdom Animalia from phylum Zariah, underclass Anthozoa, in order of Scleractinia, from family Euphyllidae, and the genus is Plerogyra and species sinuosa, which was described by Dana in 1846. They can be found in the Red Sea, Indian Ocean, West Pacific Ocean, from the East China Sea all the way to the west, north, and east coast of Australia, then east toward the Line Island. The Plerogyra genus are found in the gentle water movement on lower reef slope, inhabiting cave or crevices and under overhang.
It is commonly called bubble coral due to its bubbly appearance. The bubbles are not polyps but modified tentacles which protect the delicate polyps beneath them. Plerogyra sinuosa has vesicles resembling bubbles up to 2.5 cm in diameter. These enlarge during the day but retract to a certain extent during the night to expose the polyps and their tentacles. The feeder tentacles, which are 7.5 to 10 cm long, which can emerge and sting when looking for food. They come in shades of bluish green to green, cream and tan with lighter striations on the surface, but will turn brown if the light is too high.
Bubble coral is a zooxanthellae species of coral. This means it obtains most of its nutritional needs from the symbiotic dinoflagellates that live inside its soft tissue, including the wall of its vesicle. It also captures planktonic organisms, food particles from the water column, and can absorb dissolved organic matter.
This bubble coral has male and female counterparts that can reproduce both sexually and asexually. In the wild, they reproduce sexually by releasing eggs and sperm at the same time, resulting in a fertilized egg which then forms into a free-swimming planula larva.
The fact that they are very hardy and easy to care for, they have become a favorite of most reef aquarists. The effect of climate change, such as coral bleaching and change in oceanographic conditions, in particular wind and current pattern, will result in increasingly significant bearing on marine resources. Coral and reef contribute to the traditional fishery sector as well as provide recreation for tourism through snorkeling, diving, and excursion. Profit from using a reef goes to the dive center, travel agency, and contribute to the local economy. Business development are expected to place more pressure on the coastal area. Potential conflict between users are expected to rise, especially with the growing population and tourism. Degradation of fishing ground and impact of coral reef continue to be growing issue in the coastal zone. According to the IUCN, this species of coral has a conservation status of near threatened on IUCN Red List.
NGOs are the important stakeholders as they play an important role in educating and raising public awareness of the importance of environmental conservation and sustainable consumption. The media and professional groups such as engineers, architects, and surveyors who can contribute to better management and planning of the coastal zones. Tourism development needs to be implemented in accordance with established land use plans in order to ensure orderly development and also aesthetically pleasing and sustainable and environmentally friendly policies to avoid environmental degradation and other negative environmental impacts.